Shraddha here. So I'm going to share a few good tips for posting anything on LinkedIn. Suppose if you are writing a post, right? So if I talk about the caption, number of character that we can use on caption part of LinkedIn, so we can just use 3,000 character that you can see in my screen here. Yeah, you are almost at the 3,000 character limit. Okay. And many times what happens is we used to write a good post like long caption, and then we attach photos or video, and then when we post it, and what happens is suppose if our post gets failed to publish. So I would share one tip that will be helpful for you to get rid of losing your content part. So what you can do is, whatever caption, suppose if I'm writing this caption as it's Mahashivratri today, and yesterday I went outside and I saw the roads and all that Kanwar Yatra. So I had a great experience showing say seeing everything, and I would like to share this experience with people, my audience. So suppose if whatever experience you are having, or if you are posting anything on whatever post you are going to post on LinkedIn, so make sure that you are writing a good caption. If I talk about, so my video will be related to a lot of people are going like devotees, I would say devotees are going towards that fulfilling that Kavar Yatra. And also among those people I saw a lot of, not a lot of, but a few women, say 5 to 7 women, and 1 to 2 women were like they were barefoot, so they were not at all using or wearing any shoe, any slipper, any sandal, nothing, but they were like barefoot, and they were doing it with full dedication. I could see they were not at all like sitting or say resting or lying on the floor or something, like they were not at all doing it, just that they were staying at one place so that whoever is coming, whoever like were coming with them, so they can wait for them, and once they'll get back nearby them, then they can start the yatra. But they were not at all sitting anywhere, they were not at all lying or resting. So I could see the dedication and say unwavering commitment towards fulfilling this yatra. So it was truly great. If you want to see, you can go to my LinkedIn and you can check that post. Like I am right as I'm writing, so before this video I'll post, so I will be publishing my content there. So the main part is, okay, so important thing is how to save your content. Or suppose if I have written this long caption, so what I'll do, I'll just click any word, then you can see this cut copy paste, then three dots, select all, and then copy. Okay, from there what you can do, just come here to your document. So what I do is, before posting anything on LinkedIn, I used to give some time to write a caption. So for that matter I use Google document to write caption, and then I post it on LinkedIn. As there is a limit of 3,000 characters, so if as my limit got crossed at around 32 or 3,300 something characters, so I need to remove some lines, statements, and I need to manage that removal of that 300 to 400 words. So if you also face such kind of issues, what you can do, you can just remove it, and make sure you can see one gap here after comma, there is a one gap, we can remove this. And then other way is, suppose if there is here also food like this, so we can, though we should for correct, for grammatical say everything is perfect in grammatical terms, we need to give space. But as LinkedIn is not at all going to check our grammar doing this, as we are not at all putting any wrong spelling, but for character we can do this, if you can see here. And also wherever, I'll just show you, and that ampersand signal symbol was there, it was written as and. So what I did was, I removed and and you can see here, right? So I'm just removing it and putting this. So here I can save 2 characters, so I save 2 characters. Now you can see 2911 total, just down my screen you can see you are almost at 3,000 character limit, and 2911 I have already written. But the thing is, this is not the end of my content. Right here I need to put some good emoji. What I can do, okay, this, and also I can put Indian flag, right? So Indian flag, this one, okay? So this, and again 2919, I have a few character left, so here I can write Mahashivratri, Shivratri. Then I can also write India, I can write love, I can like devotee. Done. This much is done. And then I just need to put my video, because I need to add one song in my video. That's why I have not put it yet, but I was working on this caption part meanwhile, so thought of making this video and sharing this tip with all of you. So in order to save your content or caption part of LinkedIn, what you can do is you can just select all your like content, and I would suggest you, instead of just going directly to LinkedIn and start typing your caption, prefer Google document, so that if you are losing your content on LinkedIn, you have a backup plan to copy it again from Google document, right? Once you publish the post, don't create another document. Instead, edit the same one, previous one, and for new post again, for new post you can delete the previous like caption, as you have already published the video or audio, or like whatever image, whatever post was there, and then on the same document you can start writing your caption for a new post. So yeah, this is truly a good like tip that I have explored by myself, as I used to lost a lot of good caption with around 2900, or say 1900, 2500, 2600. Like I used to write huge captions, 2900, like I used to write huge captions. So when you lost such kind of caption, it's a bit time consuming, and we start changing our mind to write any caption and post something. So many times what I've done, I was just writing, I just gave around 1.5 to 2 hours to write a caption on for a particular post, and then when I lost it, I avoided to post anything on LinkedIn that day. So it's truly bad, we should not do it. So that's why after a while I came up with this plan, instead of putting, as we are not at all able to save nowadays. If you want to save it, we can also save our post on say LinkedIn. How? You can see in your phone, you need to go back, right? When you'll click on your back button, here you can see discard, go back, save. You just need to click on save, and then when you'll click it again in your post option, you can see again the same caption. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. I hope this tip is going to be very much helpful for you in order to create your content, publish videos, and also writing captions. So yeah, Shraddha here, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. Like, comment, share. And if you want me to focus on anything that you you are just a beginner for anything and you think I can cover it, just let me know. I will be covering it too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.